In this video, let me show you how to fix the YouTube login problem. So if you're having issues logging in or opening up the YouTube platform, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do in this situation is try to clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app of YouTube and then just head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear cache option. What this does is removes all of the corrupted files which might be causing the issue. Now, once you complete this first step, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the other thing that you can try out is try to log out of your Google account and then log in back. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, what you can try out is instead of using the application or the app of YouTube, you can open up a web browser on your phone or on your desktop. And in the meantime, you can watch YouTube through the web version. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.